Today we are going to make a very healthy and quick white sauce pasta. This white sauce pasta can be made within no time and it's a healthy complete meal. So before we start with the recipe, if you have not subscribed to my channel, click the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon. So today I am taking whole grain pasta. Today in market you get a lot of options available. You can select any of the good pastas. Take 2 cups of water in an open pan. Add sufficient amount of salt so that the water is salty. If the water is salty, it gives a nice taste to your pasta. And add 2 to 3 drops of oil so that the pasta doesn't stick to each other. Here I am boiling and cooking the pasta for 10 minutes so that all the pasta is cooked well. If you have any confusion about the cooking time of the pasta, you can always check it on the packet of the pasta which you purchased. It's always mentioned on the packet of pasta. And the pasta should be soft, not overcooked. Now we need 2 to 3 cloves of garlic and 1 bowl of mixed vegetables. To make our pasta, first we need 2 tablespoons of oil. To this oil we'll add our chopped garlic, fry the garlic well in the oil so that the garlic's taste comes to the oil, which adds an extra flavor to the pasta. And first saute the broccoli. Once your broccoli is sauteed, add the mixed vegetables. Here I have taken carrot, beans, corn and some peas. Saute them well. Once you feel they are soft and cooked, add some salt for taste. Just add a little bit of salt because we have already added salt for our pasta. And once the vegetable is cooked, add half cup of milk. In this white sauce pasta recipe, I am not adding any maida or any other flour to make the pasta. I am just using milk and cheese to make the white sauce. Now I am adding the drained pasta. And let the pasta be cooked well in this milk. And meanwhile you can add a little bit of oregano. Make sure you don't add too much of oregano. Just a pinch of oregano is more than sufficient to give a nice flavor and taste to your pasta. Add half teaspoon of black pepper powder. And stir your pasta occasionally so that each and every part of your pasta is cooked well in the milk. Make sure you cook them in medium flame. Don't cook it in very high flame. And once you see the milk is absorbed well, that's the perfect time to add cheese slice. Here I am adding 2 slices of cheese. Once you add the cheese slice, you can off the gas and let the cheese melt in the heat of the pasta and the milk which you have already added in the pan. But keep stirring it well so that they melt uniformly and the pasta is evenly coated with your white sauce. This super simple yummy pasta is ready. It's a great snack and a complete meal. Do try it and let me know your feedbacks in the comment section. And if you like the recipe, please don't forget to like and share the recipe and do subscribe to my channel for more yummy recipes.